Hello friends, welcome to the learning curve. Now look at this exponential equation. The question is 2 to the power x is equals to 5 to the power x plus 2. Let's see how do we proceed. 2 to the power x, this 5 to the power x plus 2 can be written as 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 2. Now dividing by 5 to the power x on both sides. So this term and this term gets cancelled. Now as you know that a to the power m upon b to the power m can be written as a upon b whole to the power m. So this can be written as 2 upon 5 whole to the power x is equals to 5 to the power 2. Now taking log to the base 2 upon 5 on both sides. So we get x log to the base 2 upon 5 of 2 upon 5, and here and this 2 comes here. Now as you know this value is equals to 1. So we have x into 1 is equals to 2 log of, now this can be written as log of 5 upon log of 2 upon 5. Further this x into 1 is x, this is x log of 5 upon log of 2 minus log of 5. Now putting the values of these log from the calculator, this log of 5 is 0.6989 upon log of 2 is 0.3010 minus 0.6989. Now after simplifying it, you get x is equals to minus 3.512, and this is our required answer. I hope you understand it, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel.